getting a ride, birthday boy?
Yeah.
Whose birthday is today?
Me. Adrian.
How old are you?
I'm 3.
No, Gilka is 3. How old are you?
I'm 2.
That's right. So what kind of pancakes did you have?
I got 1 cake. 1.
Did you have 1 pancakes or 2 pancakes?
I have 1. Mommy.
They looked like 2s.
Hello, mommy.
Push, Gilka's giving you a ride. Sit down.
Right there.